Trevor and I love our morning tea and coffee, but our station here is getting totally overloaded. Mugs, tea, and more tea. I'm going to show you how to take back any space using my favorite four-letter word. And it's really important when you want to unload a space to think about what you want to go there when you're finished. And I've decided I'm going to apply the only principle. That's right, it's my favorite four-letter word, O-N-L-Y, only. What are the only things that should live in this cabinet? I've decided it's going to be mugs. Mugs and mugs only, and I'm going to find another place for my beloved tea. I am feeling so much better now that this cabinet is only for mugs. I made room up here for our company mugs. I even was able to pull in my fine china mugs from another location to really finish off this cabinet. Using the only principle is all about purposing real estate. Now this is only for one theme, one purpose, and that is our mugs. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my tea. This is my breakfast station. My mugs are up there, so the tea needs to live nearby. So I'm going to commandeer this drawer right here that used to be used a lot, but it's just not anymore. It's my kids' dishes. They're little plastic dishes, and it's sad to say, but they've grown out of this stage, so I'm taking the drawer for my tea. So now I have a cabinet only for mugs and a drawer only for tea. Frankly, I wasn't sure I was going to really like putting all my tea in a drawer, but I like it for two reasons. One, when I put the tins on their side, I can read the labels. Secondly, because it is in a drawer, I'm only going to go one layer deep. Whereas in a cabinet, what you can get is you can get product hiding behind the others. So I'm really liking this tea drawer. We'll see how it works. But now you have learned how to use the only principle, my favorite four-letter word, and organize any space in your home. I'm Vicki Norris of Restoring Order, and here's to reclaiming your life.